Mine's rated 40.
Actual genuine serious question for you.
Yeah.
Which I've seen several of them.
We cannot remember if I left the vehicle or not, so I'm running back to the trailhead, and then I'm gonna catch up with the rest of the group.
Yeah, because he can carry the short one. Your small one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, give me the poles.
So this
give me your stripping pole.
this one's lighter.
And the amount of time it takes us to get this done, he'll be back. You got it right there. Okay. That's all she wrote, bro.
That's okay, I'll take it like this.
We're not moving fast.
That's okay.
This is what happens when Caleb forgot to remember if he locked the door. We all have to carry his pack. Corbin's 2-packing it. Eli's carrying the big pack. And Micah's still doing absolutely nothing.
He's doing jack squat. Jack Corbin, is my pack light, bro? Yeah,
look at the beautiful scenery. On our right, there's a rock. On our left, water rocks. Because he can?
What did he forget?
To lock the truck.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
You did it, buddy.
Sure.
It's just that he thinks he forgot.
Micah! Oh my God! Watch your head, man! Oh my God! Are you freaking out? Oh, watch your pack. Oh, and watch your head. Bro, where's their gimbal at?
I don't know if they make hiking gimbals. They did
that. Thank you, sir, Micah.
Welcome.
I did. That's why I haven't brought it.
Wow, look at that.
I want my Oscar in here.
No more creek crossing.
Guys, where do those stairs lead?
The bridge? My tent right here.
Got some nice moss right here.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm like Ethan. I'm thinking about where I'm going to poop. Remember
2
when we
months
went
ago?
To the Smokies?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I was just froze to death. Because I went and hopped in the
Come on,
You go grab the trekking poles.
Yeah.
Dude, this line is so cool.
See you have right here?
A married couple.
We are.
Okay. Hey, they really need it.
It's so if it rains.
Get the buckles first.
They're gonna go up here.
What do you do? Yeah. Oh, hey.
Easy.
Ooh.
How do you use the pump bag?
So there's a little plastic thing on the bottom there. You're holding it in your right hand. So you're gonna open the lid on the corner of the sleeping bag, or sorry, the pad, and clip it in.
Put her in there.
And then kind of open it up, and from like 2 feet away, blow into it, and it should inflate the whole thing. So that pad is longer than normal pads, so it's a little tight in there, but
It's all good.
yeah.
It's extra.
But anyway,
extra tall,
I like to keep mine a little underinflated. I think it's more comfortable that way.
Okay. There's the white pillow.
Hey, it is in there.
Turns out you just gave it to Ethan.
I like the falls right there. That'll give us some white noise tonight.
Yeah, what? Really, all we gotta do is get a bed of coals. You pick up the coals. My cup was already filtered, right? Yeah.
Okay, good, because I just
Wait, what is that? I'm confused. Is that cotton?
Yeah, it's like waxy cotton kind of.
Oh, does the wax keep it from burning too quick?
That and it waterproofs it.
That's pretty cool.
Good work, Ethan.
Cocaine?
Good work, Ethan.
I was talking about this stuff. You know if you can burn this stuff
Messy.
safely?
Probably super wet.
It's the bottom's wet, the top's not. I was mainly talking about it as a fire starter.
I don't know if it'd light very easily, but
Or at least it's kindling.
it might burn pretty. Looks like it kind of just smokes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but all right, so put someone stashed their rock climbing gear.
They come down. This is
Okay, that actually looks really deep. I can see. Here.
What?
Exactly.
What?
But it's kind of loud.
What?
We came, we saw, we didn't conquer anything.
Are we going back now?
Yeah.
Yep.
We'll see right here.
Yeah. To get a better view up here too. pretty cool up here. Yeah.
My groin.
Good eyes.
We can go back. We can come back.
All right.
That's cool.
Moment's truth.
See what's on the inside.
Someone hold that.
Yeah, Mike, you got it.
I think it's been open for quite a while.
Hold by the handle.
Oh shoot.
Oh.
Somebody donated a
sweater?
sweater.
Wait, that's actually kind of cool.
Oh, that fell.
Anyone need a
That's a new
micro
charger.
USB? Yeah.
What else is in there?
Anyone got a pet? Oh, there is a pen here. Cool. We can sign the
Yeah, we
log.
gotta sign that. Yeah, sign that.
Koozie.
Cuphead Brewing.
Coins, sunglasses, pen.
Where was it? Was it just under that ledge? Yeah, it's underneath it. That's cool. We found it on accident. We should get a geocache app and.
I'll have to show Ethan this video.
Let's see.
Today's date's
Yeah.
the 26th. 12/26/24.
12/26.
Micah luckily
Good job.
found it.
I was like,
He found it on accident, ladies and
I knew
gentlemen.
there had to be someone.
it's like there's an ammo box.
Accident.
That was purely on accident.
Found on accident.
Did you put? You didn't put.
Yeah, the falls is the coolest spot. By the edge of the falls.
Yeah, I wanted to do that one. What? Rock cliff right there.
And then someone's not here to receive it.
My foot got hung.
Ah, boy.
That's what I found.
Whoa,
Turtle
turtle
shell.
shell. Look at that.
It's empty. Yo, it's got like a spine. I didn't know turtles had spines.
That's cool.
That's kind of what. That's not really a spine.
Here's our camp sink. Our camp hand washer. All right, now put your left leg, Micah. Right there. Yeah.
Dude, have you ever been
Here, you can use mine.
outside?
And if you need. All right, good job. Got it. Good job, Corbin. Wait a minute.
Are you just? Is that what you're gonna do right there?
Ethan's gonna come over here and think he's the stupidest thing ever.
He's the Batman.
This is the main cook spot, and then this little flame right here, we can put a rock on top of it. Make it a hot rock.
Alright,
So, hot rock.
We don't have to burn down these, just make it hotter.
Well, you needed to burn it down into coals.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it hot so it'll burn down into coals.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Charcoal.
Ethan's gonna get arrested because he's over.
So I can cut.
Coals.
Yeah, right here's
You
good.
know? That's just gonna smoke it. Oh crap, we should not have cooked over pine, bro. Look at this. I think the butter was for the breakfast. The oil for tonight.
I don't know why I need this.
You know you can eat this stuff.
Oh, yeah.
We've
Right
ate
here.
ash before.
You know you can eat this. You know, actually, you can eat this stuff. This right here?
You want butter in there with them?
Can,
Yes, please.
Let's get some butter.
That'd be good.
Want a buck knife? Dang.
Yes, thank you, son.
Sharp buck knife.
He's chopping it with his forehead this morning.
Oh, yeah.
The IO.
Yellow, orange, hot.
What do you rate my bell peppers?
Last time Eli cooked the steaks, he did a great job. Like they were
9.
good.
Love her.
I just don't want
They're
it to
green
fall
bell
off.
peppers.
That's the only
Yeah.
problem for them.
Huh? It'll wait.
Chopped it up.
I did.
Okay.
Did you butter the
It's in
pan?
strips.
You did not butter the pan.
That's
butter
what you do
the
for
thing.
fajitas.
You you didn't butter the thing.
That's what you do for fajitas.
He'll be all right on that.
No, at least butter the parts you haven't buttered yet.
Unless you're buttering the part you're buttering, you know, the butter.
Actually, and there's some seasoning. It's smashed seasoning, so it's.
Move that out of the way.
I was just gonna say. Move
Oh, I was
this out of the
gonna
way.
sit it.
Oh, right there.
Right there.
Okay. I see.
Okay.
Okay, Uncle Leroy.
But I didn't. You out here this friggin' steak king.
elk steak that he does.
Yeah, I think these look pretty
Put
good.
them in there.
Put them in there.
Put a lid on them. Let them rest.
Get up, Corbin.
Butter my biscuit and call me silly.
There you go.
Oh, and then you want to put it on your and then you know the ones that buy at Home Depot.
And they want a new car.
I brought you except for that part.
Eminem.
He's just a chill guy.
I'm just trying to get my Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its. Oh, all right. Burn you?
Hand me those like small sticks by your left foot.
If I were good, I'd.
Is that cooked, guys? Good? Cooked good?
No, I think it's the paprika.
Yeah.
To the flames.
The flame.
Let me get it. Let me get that one. Oh, never mind.
It's got char on it.
Let's get in there.
video?
I just restarted.
Cold.
What?
Okay, Caleb can see. He can see. He got fork, man.
Hey, don't
Cook steak well, guys.
It's the most dangerous part of this pork. Oh. I hate having to be for quadruple homicide suicide.
water.
River water, and I used a leaf to clean out some of it. So
Okay.
regular oil, peanut.
I
peanut
think it's
oil?
avocado.
What?
Avocado oil.
Oh, I forgot. I have my headlamp on.
I took mine off the plate over there.
Do you want my headlamp so you can see?
If you want, yeah.
Hey, you got something on the back, the side of that. It's 1 in the morning, but
Exactly.
we're going to bed at 7.
For annual coal miners Christmas Friday. Merry Christmas. You're probably in there.
I am. I started that.
That's not dirty. I got extra.
I didn't put much honey in at all.
I got you.
Put a hot water bottle in your sleeping bag before you go to bed and it'll warm it up. Just make sure that it is not leaking. Then keep it in there all night with you and it'll keep you nice and warm.
Really hot?
It was the other way. Yes.
Your head was making noise.
Good night, everyone.
I'm definitely not sweating in.
Press on, Daddy. Might start cooking. I've had it going since 6 o'clock this morning. There's a little bit of coffee in there, but I found out one fatal flaw that I had in my oh, what do you AeroPress? I left all my filters. That's what I was gonna ask.
Start cooking. Yeah, I must have died down a little bit.
Yeah, that's a good spot right there.
I made it intentionally.
Zipper over there. One of them's up.
7:44. Wow. 6. I was up at 5:30, and I laid in the tent, and was like, I'm not getting up until 6. I'm not gonna do it. And like, is that rain?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Morning, sunshine.
You set it right here. I just had that.
Okay.
Set it right there. I just had that heating up a little bit, but
Just walk outside and open your mouth, bro. Hey, there you go. There you put the sausage.
that's what they used to call me in high school. Oh, sausage flipper. Because, you know, I flipped a lot of sausage.
Can I get your,
That's yes, sir, to you.
Can I get your knife?
Yes.
How'd your wife? Where'd
Oh,
your
it's
knee
right behind you.
Your knee fay? Oh, it's right behind me. Pasta baggins.
So what's the plan for breakfast?
Eat.
I'm gonna cook up these eggs. We're gonna take some tortillas and we're gonna stuff those eggs in those tortillas. And if anybody has their own hot sauce or whatever they want, they can put on it. They can put on it.
John,
I'm adding a secret recipe to my ingredients source here for our.
You mean a secret
eggs.
ingredient to your recipe?
It's called butter.
No, a secret recipe to my ingredient. It's not butter. Butter is a part of it though.
The taco seasoning.
Not really.
Oh,
Taco
is
Bell.
that-
I'm just adding bacon bits to it because bacon bits are awesome, and they're real bacon, so you can't go wrong with bacon in your
There's the
eggs.
sausage. You know, you're supposed to put it in slices.
Nobody cares.
Actually, we do.
Micah, do you care?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Ashes into my life. Ashes? I don't even know her. I feel like we're just gonna start saying, "Come on," at church.
We're
What
not,
do
'cause
you-
we're gonna be sick and tired of you saying it.
No,
so.
it wasn't even me that says it.
It'd be warm.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, here, Michael.
My back hurts so bad.
Thanks, man.
Oh, Caleb! Caleb, who do you think you are?
It's all right. I got more eggs.
I think he's Caleb.
Okay, I was just making sure.
Great egg expectations.
Is that a thick burrito, Corbin?
It goes around. That's how you get to the falls.
That's March. That's one in Signal Mountain too. That's one in Signal Mountain. Alright, we did it. We did it.
Picture.
Oh no. We lost two. They didn't make it.
They're just big babies. They didn't want to run with us.
No.
They didn't survive.
They're on their way though.
Hey, be a man.